Hey guys, today we're gonna take a quick look at a free VPN, and yes, free as in real free, not in free as hijacked free. This is from Bitmask.net. They are kind of co-providers with Calyx from the Calyx Institute and RiseUp.net, which is the RiseUp VPN and email provider. They are all open source and they are all crowdfunded and crowdsourced projects that make it possible for most of the people that cannot afford a VPN or they're not in a good spot to have a VPN and need a VPN, especially if you're a journalist or you live in a country that you're oppressed or whatever the case might be. These are services that you might actually need to take a look. I understand that a lot of you might be saying that, well, if it's free, you are the product. Well, how do you know you're not the product when you pay anyway? Yes, I own a few paid VPN providers, or so-called commercial. I don't know if I'm not the product either. Plus, you're browsing on your internet. How much are you paying for the browser? Nothing. So, you just have to kind of trust as much as you can until you see the punching holes. Then yeah, maybe take a step back. But so far, I've tested them both myself. The Bitmask and RiseUp. They're the same providers, but Bitmask.net is the one that I really use on my own phone. Yes, I have a commercial VPN for other devices. On my phone, I use Bitmask, and it is really easy to install. If you want to install it from your Google Play Store, you can do that. You can just go on Play Store, search for Bitmask, and you will see this exact logo here. They have a Linux version, which is RiseUp VPN itself, macOS RiseUp, and Windows has RiseUp. Now on Android, when you download it, you will see Bitmask. Let me tell you, this guy actually works really, really good. And yes, I installed it on my own phone because I'm focused today mostly on the Android side of the things. And let me just unlock my device here and let me just show you really quick. Right now, as you see, it should say disconnected from always on VPN because I am disconnected, and this on top right, as you see right there, this is supposed to be the VPN when it's connected. Now it's disconnected. Let's take a quick speed test. Yes, the speeds will be slower with the VPN, and I'm hoping you know that. And let's just take a quick reading and see where we are. Okay, without VPN, we're kind of going 50-60. But don't forget, this VPN is free, and most of the servers are privately held and maintained and all that stuff. And yes, you can go check the source code because it's open source. So you can take the forks yourself and take a look at it yourself. Me, myself, I'm just gonna make a quick video to bring it to your attention. Just in case you need one, you have one. And these were our speeds, as you saw there. Now let me get out of here and let me turn on the VPN itself. Let me turn it on like this. And looks like it went to Miami by itself, by the way. Just automatic. Okay, automatically use best connection. And it's in Miami. And let's see. Yes, we are connected right now, as you see there on the top right corner. Now let's just go to speed test. And yes, this thing that you see right here, this app is running, and it will be an update video follow-up to a previous video I've made before. But anyway, that's besides the point. Let me hit go now. With the VPN on, you expect to see a lot lower speeds for sure, because that's just how it works. But let's see what this VPN does. And actually, I am not joking, you guys. I have my other VPN commercial that I pay monthly, and I'm not gonna say the name because I'm not here to put fights with anybody. The speeds with that VPN are way lower. And as I said, I am not joking. So as you see, the speeds here are slightly maybe slower. A lot of times I noticed with this VPN, actually the speeds are not that much lower. Sometimes are equal to the ISP itself or to the provider itself. In my opinion, if you need a VPN on a pinch, you are in a tough spot, you're in a country that cannot have commercial VPN, or you just are out of luck at the moment and you don't have any money to pay, go ahead, give a test to Bitmask, and if you can and when you can go ahead to their site and donate to help, of course, the cause for everybody else and to keep it open and free for all of us. I myself did my part. I donated because I could at the time, and I hope it's helping somebody else. This time I'm just coming back to this project to show it to you, almost like a pay it forward action that I'm trying to do here, so you have that knowledge now. Go ahead, test Bitmask. I will leave a link on the description below to the website and to the Android app. And yes, the Android app is not only available on Play Store, but on F-Droid as well. And with that said, I hope you learned something from this video, and we will see you next time. Bye!